Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer.
Alex O, whiff hat. Alex O, whiff hat. Alex O, whiff hat. Whiff hat. Whiff hat. Whiff hat. Amy whiff baby. Amy whiff baby. Alex whiff hat. Alex whiff hat. I used to get made fun of these years. All right? You guys can screenshot this and share it out. Okay? Hey, guys, what do you guys think of the new haircut? Let's go! Woo! Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, who's your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. I love, very nice. I like. What do you guys think? Styling, profiling. Did you know? Funny fact. I can claim my haircuts, okay? Kyle from InvestorShare, who is also a friend of mine, we were talking about doing your taxes, okay? We're talking about doing our taxes. And I can claim my haircuts as a business expense, okay? As a business expense. This is the business, all right? This is the business, all right? We on early, man. I'm sick, and we on early, man. We made a update video, and we were sneezing this morning. And guys, guess what? That's all right, man. We come out for you guys. What's going on, chat? We'll let it fill up a little bit. We're going to talk to you guys a little about what's going on with life. Besides me drinking herbal. Do you guys say herbal or herbal tea? Give you some ASMR. Can I look at AVAX? Of course. So Mrs. Otter has to give you a bill. Yeah. Yeah. All about that. What's going on, gang, 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 gang? You guys are legends, man. We'll look at AVAX. My God. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. I mean, a little bit of a consolidation, chilling out, you know. But, you know, resetting kind of. After a 5% pump, you know, Bitcoin's like, hold on. Let's wait for some of these alts to catch up. Let's wait for some things, you know. Can't just go straight up in a line. However, we'll take a look at AVAX. We'll take a look at some other things that I got my eyes on, okay? I don't know if I can still do it. You used to make the dragon with your hands. You remember that one? You go like cross, okay? Hands over the top, swing it underneath, and you got the dragon kind of thing. You guys used to do that as kids? Wow. I'm practicing to becoming a dad, okay? I'm remembering all the things that were cool to me as a child. Like Wolverine riding a moose. You guys like Wolverine riding a moose? How Canadian can you get? Wolverine from Canada. Just so you know. Moose, Canada. Wolverine riding a moose. That's my lucky moose. Okay? That's my lucky moose. Oh, man, I need a life. Can you check ORDS again? Yeah, of course I can. Kush is my cologne. Let's go. 420 life. Whatever. So far, we got ORDS. Let's shout out to the chat, though, guys. I bought some more cock today. Come on. We're coming down here. We want to hit that spot that we're looking for, baby. Maybe we trade on the live here. Okay. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. All set. Much love to you, man. Always coming through. Crypto Wanderer, much love to you. Filippo Fornea. What's going on? G Corp. G Corp. Mask Mascot Starcraft. What's going on, man? Stuff I like. You can't find his socks, man. Seymour Liddy Cabrera. What's going on, man? Retro Mike Tech. Option E, Amy with baby launch. Yeah. That's going to be interesting. Very interesting. The birth of my child. Good morning to the cut. The cut, what's going on, Mandrew? He must be manly Andrew. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a great day. TRD Farmer, I'm sorry about your TRD Farmer. Someone stole his shit, man. Oh man. That's not cool, bro. Let me know. We'll get the gang out. We got the shovels. We ready to go. Man, that's not cool, man. Broke in the house last night and stole his sanders and his clamps and his glue and his drills. Oh man, that just gets me angry. I hate thieves, man. What's going on, Crunk C? Slam banjo, French toaster, the bravest toaster of all. Crunk C, Pablo Chuco. Yo, crypto fam, he says. Melissa. What's going on, Mel? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hello, Otter Gang fam. DDT, I'm just here loading up some washing in the washing machine. Wow. Nice, you finally got a haircut. Yeah, I was looking homeless. At some point there, so got to clean it up, Got to be presentable. Oh, I got to trim that part of my beard. I missed a spot. Poor beard trimming skills. We'll be all right. So, some things to look at. BTC. Not a heck of a lot today, guys. Not a heck of a lot, but that's okay. We can analyze the ideas today. We talked about this on the morning live stream of just basically what we were looking for. We can see we got the bearish divergence here on the higher term time frames. We'll minimize this. We'll expand that. We'll look at BTC as our North Star and then try to find out some beautiful, beautiful levels for you guys on all your favorite altcoins, okay? Because altcoins are better than Bitcoin, don't you know, Alex? Okay? So, bearish divergence, higher high, lower low, thick money flow. We want the continuation. This was my target today, okay? We haven't gotten down there. Maybe we swing fail pattern here, and we look for that trade, okay? A little bit. So, whenever I look at this, volume came in and volume came in. Okay, so volume is a very good tool. If you don't use volume, I suggest you learn a little bit of volume, okay? Because look, you got the volume here. Let's hide this. Let's bring this over here. So morning starts, right? This is nice and early, right? We get the divergence. Volume comes in, pushes price higher, failure to get higher, okay? Very, very important. So failure to push up suggests, especially when it's quick, suggests divergences. Okay, quick move, divergences. Okay, then you get resistance, rollover with volume. Okay, with volume. And then volume pushes back harder. So not only does, it takes volume to push price down right here, but then volume comes in much more aggressive, pushing price back up, not allowing for price to fall. So there's buyers coming in here. People think this is a good price for Bitcoin. Is what people are saying. Okay, that's what the charts are saying, right? So now we've consolidated on this fair price. Maybe it's being bought up here. So we're looking for a little bit of a swing failure pattern to the downside here, a breakout and a continuation, okay? So that's the trade idea that I'm still sticking with. It has yet to come in swing failure pattern down below, okay? And we can see that this is a key level, a golden pocket, matched up with one of my key volume levels that I trade, okay? Look at this key volume level coming in right here at 69,000, okay? So in confluence with this, we have a key level, right? So I'm looking for the bounce from here. We'll see if we get it. It probably is going to happen when we're all sleeping, guys. It's probably going to be like, oh, dip and run away. Just saying. Bitcoin tends to give us the move, and then it doesn't give us much more for the rest of the week. So we need to be prepared for that and make sure that, That's kind of what we're looking for. Now, key resistance, guys. Let's go on to the 4-hour. Key resistance. When looking at this, right? We always want to analyze where the key resistance is. So we have all these levels, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so get this garbage out of here. What are you doing on my chart, man? Okay, so we pull volume across from here to here. We want to include this area here. And we can see that our little bit of resistance, okay, the little bit of resistance is right around 72,130. Therefore, take profit 1 or 2 is right here. So that's where we're looking for a little bit of a push and continuation. However, if we do fall back down, right, we do look for a retest point of control, any sort of area within here. You can see that there is a big shelf of volume right here, right around 68,500, let's call it, okay? 68,500 is a big shelf of volume. Now, where's our long trade setup from? 68,700. So we may be front running it a little bit, but we're looking for that bounce, okay? So that's kind of where we're at today of the short-term time frames. Otherwise, if we do break, we are looking for a break of this downtrend with continuation, okay? So what do I mean? We got to take out this high, okay? So lower high, right? We want to see a higher high, retest, continuation, okay? First and foremost, we have to take out the high. Otherwise, we're looking for the swing failure pattern and a pop off. Otherwise, we look for this consolidation sideways, take out the high, retest back down, and fire off to the upside. And that would be what I would be looking for today if we get it. If we don't get it, we reassess. We do your morning update videos, and we get you the info anyway. So we can reset this at any time, right? So this is how we prepare. Now, going from the top down, we were saying that we wanted to look at the 2-day if we got the confirmation of the VWAP crossover. And look at that. Woo! Looking good. So the VWAP crossing over, which leads the momentum waves, right? So VWAP, momentum waves, money flow, okay? Stochastics posturing to the upside. That's just confluence, okay? Stochastics isn't very much a trade indicator. It's confluence with the VWAP. That's how I use it, okay? It's confluence. And when you get a big opening between the two and a VWAP crossover, it's typically a very strong move, okay? When you open up between the RSI and the stochastics RSI, right? Stochastics is the red one. The RSI is the blue one. Okay, and then the red one changes to green. Okay, that's why it's stochastics. So when they separate, and then you get a VWAP crossover, let's just look at it. Let's just look at it. Okay, we tend to get a decent move. Did we get a decent move to the upside? Yes, we did. Okay, look, crossover, continuation to the upside. Beautiful. I mean, that was the move. It was the move. Okay, there you go. I'm done for the day. Can we look at Injective again? Yeah, for sure. For sure. You guys got to remind me when we call for the alts. We're almost there. I know. We're looking for long-term Bitcoin trends so we can identify what's going to happen to our altcoins, okay? So as we can see, as we proceed to give you what you need, you know how it goes, right? You know how it goes. So going back over here, you can see this beautiful, beautiful levels here. We'll get rid of the price labels, and we'll hide some of this stuff here. So that's what we're looking for. Green dot confirming and the VWAP crossing over. Daily, green dot confirmed, affirmative, money or VWAP flattening out, but money flows continuing to march up. Okay, so this is looking still very strong. Lots of room to the upside for continuation. 12-hour, same kind of deal. However, we are getting a cool off today. So you can see the VWAP is resetting. Hey, I double click you to expand you, not to get that, okay? You can see the VWAP has cooled off, and we look for the bounce off the zero line, right? So we look for this bounce, continuation of the momentum wave, and, you know, Bob's your uncle and we make money, okay? So we're looking for that continuation to the upside here on this. So also, to expect a red dot is next is imminent, right? So we can look for maybe a push-up, a cool-off, red dot here, green dot here, and continuation to the upside, okay? That's what I would be expecting this week. Just trying to forecast, right? Just trying to forecast. Clean cut, Alex. Let's go. Did he do a good job? I tipped him. I gave him a 10% tip. In Canada, you tip. Okay, in Canada, you tip. I wore the old, sexy black t-shirt. Takes a little bit off the waist. Makes you look good. All you guys out there, just get some nice, some nice Tommies. Some nice Tommy Hilfigers. Black is back, man. Let's go. Right? Keep flexing on them. Sheds a few pounds. What's up, Crypto Degen? Dave P. We're going to look at AVAX. So AVAX, Canadians never tip. It's almost like compulsory. Man, it's compulsory here. I can't believe you said Canadians don't tip. So we got AVAX. I saw Injective, and I saw another one, but I can't remember what it was. And I'll definitely do that one for you if I find it. You guys making me search. Just throw your alts down below, okay? I will definitely get to them. Throw them in now. Might as well. Get it over with. We're going to cater to you anyways because we love you and we need you. Otherwise, I'd be here talking to myself. And I remember talking to myself as well. I see ICP. Okay? I remember sitting here talking to myself, wondering if anybody was going to hang out with me and if anybody really wanted to make money. I was just like, you guys just going elsewhere to all these people who are charging you. These people are charging you for their groups and not giving you any good setups. Come on, man. This is all free here. Oh, man. Too good. Whiff. Oh my God. Retro Mike Tech. Everybody, you guys can misbehave because we don't have Alexandra G. Everybody say a little prayer for Alexandra G. She's driving while working. So you guys can misbehave in the chat today. This is your only day you're allowed to misbehave in the chat. Streamlabs bot might have something to say about that, but this is your day. Okay? We want to make some money. We're going to make some money. We can talk shit at the same time, okay? Talk shit at the same time. Going to the 8-hour cooling off, coming down to the 0 line, okay? Looking for continuation. The bounce off the 0 line. And it doesn't look like we're going to get it. It does look like it wants to cool off and then continue, right? So anticipating something like this, where you're getting something like that, and you're looking for this crossover, and then you're looking to front run this crossover on a shorter term time frame. Pardon me, I'm still sick. Is it misbehaving? What's happening, bro? Are we good? We're good, right? Streamlabs, okay? Bitrate. Come on, I got a fast computer here. None of this BS bitrate shit. Okay, so we're looking to front run this crossover back up to the upside. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour. Now we can see that we got a little bit of a shooting star here, right? A shooting star suggesting a cool off. Okay, that's okay, right? Buying up, bearish engulf, push down. Okay, so for me, this is looking to reset. This is looking for this to come back up and in. Okay, in. We're looking for that. Green money flow, beautiful dip, just like we saw on the 4-hour here. We said we wanted to see the money flow, nice curvature back to the upside. Looking very good. Now, what happened last time this happened? Okay, so if we go into history, right? History tends to rhyme. You can see we got a little dip like this. Okay, look at this little momentum wave. Looks very similar. And then look at the momentum wave afterwards. Okay, mahusive, okay? Mahusive. Now we go to where we are now. Okay. A little bit of more of an aggressive wave. So we're looking for a little bit of a cool off and continuation with VWAP coming back up and money flow continuing to march upwards. Okay. Continuing to march upwards. Thank you, brother. You are the best. I turned $800 portfolio to $3K in 2 weeks after watching your videos. Guys, that's where it's at, man. I'm going to screenshot that. I hope you don't mind. I'm taking it anyways. You said it in public. We got testimonials now. We got people saying they're winning here. You got something nice to say. You can go and put it in the testimonials here on the Discord because we'd be winning. Okay, we'd be winning. With you guys, we'd be winning. So we're looking for the swing failure pattern. Money flow coming back in. VWAP resetting, looking to posture to the upside on the higher or shorter term time frames. 2 hour flat, 1 hour flat. Okay, so for me, you want to see like this 3 and the 4 hours start to turn up. Okay, you want to see them to go this way, and that will give you an indication that this is going to happen. Okay, until we see that, the VWAP goes first, then the momentum waves. The money just follows, okay? And that's what we'll be looking for. Let's go. Louis Silo. My man, man. That made my day today. I don't even have to do this anymore, man. You're great, man. The magical tea leaf sorcery is real. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we are Salman Shah. We are waiting down here right around 68, 600, 700-ish area for a little bit of a dip of the toes, okay? We got some confluence within this area. If we do lose this level, we look to come back down to about 67,000 would be my target. However, I want to see a swing failure pattern, grabbing some liquidity down here, and then a continuation upwards. That's pretty much where I'm at with the Bitcoin price and many of the alts as well. We just want to be prepared. This could be a quick move, so once we get the move, then we can definitely look to look for a possible long continuation where we're getting price action that is starting to make higher highs and higher lows, continuing to the upside, and therefore giving us better opportunity for longs. Right now, we got a bit of a small downtrend, looking for that confirmation, right? Beautiful continuation to the upside. Okay, that's what we'd be looking for today into the evening, and then tomorrow morning we'll readjust and see what's going on. But you can see here, if we look at the heat maps, right, make sure to add these heat maps here. I'll share it in the chat with you guys. But hold up. I gotta post this first, then I'll post the heat maps. That you can definitely be looking for where liquidity lies, right? Where it's lying. Okay, so there's people who have gotten short here, 72,125, and then you have liquidity just below us here around 68,000. You can expand this to like a week, and then you can get a bigger outlook right here. So you can see we've pushed up aggressively here. Most of the liquidity is lying down around 61,000. However, with this push up recently, you can see a lot of these longs are trapped or waiting to get stopped out around 68,500. Okay, so there's a key level liquidity sweep and then a continuation upwards. But you can see that a lot of shorts have come in since then, and it would be nice to see a little sweep and then a continuation to the upside, okay? Now, if there is any other alts you guys want me to look at, we're going to get into the alts next, guys. So make sure that you guys throw your alts in the chat. I got about 5 of them there, but I know you guys want me to look at some more. I've done the post, but until then, we can bounce to this because, you know, it's quite a tune. And then we can go from there. Does that play? My screen audio isn't working.
Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
I see Dogecoin.
Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden.
Don't look at me for the TRB.
Don't look at me for the TRB.
Someone asked about TRB yesterday in the Discord. Hey, anyone holding TRB? My fellow Canadian. Guys, let's see some pianos in the chat. Piano Matty B, my fellow Canadian, Mr. Beautiful Winnipegonian. I don't know. Is it? Good to see you, PMB. Thank you so much for dropping by, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I haven't been able to jump on your morning live stream, but Piano Matty B live, I believe it's 8. It's got to be 8:30. 8:30? Earlier? Piano Matty B in the chat, guys. Go and check out Piano Matty B. Much love to you, my friend. Hope you're having a wonderful day. What a day. What a day. What a day, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. It's been a crazy one out here. And hopefully we can continue to ride these beautiful price targets all the way to the moon. Thank you for dropping by and hanging out with us, my man. All much love to you. Much love to you. It's at 9 a.m. Thank you, Toaster. And 8 a.m. CST. Okay. 9 EST. And also the best evening shows on Friday nights and Saturday nights. I mean, Dave Digital constantly reminds us. So Dave Digital is always putting in the work. Much love to you, PMB. Okay, let's go over to AVAX now. Let's look at these alts and go through all the beautiful altcoins for you guys. AVAX looking a little suppressed. AVAX typically has been trending after Solana. So AVAX will follow suit kind of deal. And Solana's up there, okay? Solana's up there. Look at how similar the charts actually look. When you look at Solana, then you look at AVAX, okay? Very similar, right? So a little bit of a retest here, right? We had a buy level on AVAX. However, we are going to anticipate, came for the alpha stage for the new haircut. That's the one, man. Dude, I've been looking homeless for the last 2 weeks, man. I've been working so much that I haven't been able to get a new haircut. So, I mean, I guess we're styling profiling. And I just found out that I can claim haircuts on my taxes now that I'm making money off of YouTube. So free haircuts for life. I mean, just claim it at the end of the year. Looking at AVAX, getting into the nitty gritty, definitely looking for a little bit of a cool off, same as Bitcoin. Flattening out here on the VWAP. Definitely want to see this start to posture to the upside and continue upwards here. And then for that to reset. So going over to where we're at right now, you can see pretty steady sell-off, but a very nice channel of volume here. So if we just pull our volume over, you can see that we do have a very thick support line coming in right around 50. Let's call it 54 to keep it easy. So 54 is going to be that psychological key level of support that you don't want to see lost. However, if we're looking for a possible long trade setup, you can see that we have made higher lows and higher highs. Okay, so you have that beautiful downtrend that came down, but now you have higher lows and higher highs, okay? So you're looking for that continuation here on AVAX. Where would I look? I would pull a fib from swing low to swing high and kind of get a good idea from here, from a fib channel. So just pulling swing low to swing high here, coming up, and look at that. We have an area of confluence here matching up with our point of control that I would be looking for a possible buy zone, okay? So I'd be looking for it to fall down within this area and have a little bit of a bounce to the upside and hopefully continuing this bullish trend. There's Dave Digital. My nose is running, pardon me. We're doing it while we're sick, man. We keep pushing. We keep pushing, man. Win-win for haircuts and YouTube. Let's go. What's going on, Dave Digital, man? Hope you're doing well. So 53.8. Let's call it 54 for the key level here. Definitely looking for a support there and a continuation upwards, then coming back, reclaiming at least half and possible continuation. You definitely want to wait for a confirmation. You can see VWAP crossover here on the 1 hour. So you want to see this bounce and then maybe that little dip here, right? So we get a little bounce and then maybe a lower low. Yeah, bullish divergence here. Oh, that's the juice right there. That's what you would be looking for there on AVAX. But for now, you can see you're coming back, retesting these highs here, which is good. Okay, you can see that there is a little bit of a shelf of volume here, but you definitely would like to see a better swing failure pattern and continuation to the upside. And that's what I'd be looking for AVAX. Now let's go over to my favorite. Okay, I guess my favorite is I love Injective. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, okay? I don't know why. Me and PMB, maybe I do a beatbox PMB remix one day, where I can beatbox and he can drop a wicked tune because he kills it. If you want to see talent, go over to Piano Matty B, man on the mic, and the Let's go. Sew it down for the old school. I can't beatbox because I'm sick, but we can throw it down one day. One day. Now my nose is running again. Okay. Looking for a continuation on Injective. Now, Injective, the key level here on Injective is this $40. It has been massive resistance and support. Okay, so that's where like the target is to get above. Okay, it's going to be a challenge. However, I do believe that there is an opportunity here. Now, looking at Injective, this morning I did some TA on Injective, looking for a swing failure pattern coming down to this key level here. And you can see it has bounced from there. So this is looking good nonetheless for a continuation for Injective. Very, very nice move. You did see it get above and roll over today. However, you would be looking for a higher low and a continuation. So for Injective, right now you can see a little bit of a cooling off that has occurred. However, the posturing on the VWAP on Market Cipher does look quite healthy, and it does look like it wants to continue upwards with beautiful money flow to the upside. Okay, so this is a good recipe for a continuation. You just want to see the momentum wave come down and reset and continue its work upwards. The VWAP will lead the way, okay? The VWAP will lead the way. Now, looking here on the 1 hour, you're getting that little trigger with the VWAP crossover, looking to pop off and continue upwards. For me, you're either looking for this trade right now, where you're looking for the continuation up, or you're looking for the higher high, which looks like it's about to print, then a retest, and then that continuation that way. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for on Injective, but it does look like it wants to pop off, and then you really want to see it hold this $40 level as support for continuation to the upside. Okay, that's going to be crucial for Injective to continue its work to the upside. Right now, it does look like it wants to continue up. I mean, beautiful move from this key level of support, 4.5%. So let's see if we can see that continuation, getting above $40 and working its way upwards. Chat is going wild. Lots of Dave Digital's LBCs in the chat. Let's see some good emojis here. Why not some Dave Digitals, man? Let's spam some Dave Digitals in the chat for all you members. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel, man. Much love to all of you guys and for supporting this channel, man. Allergies are bad this season. I mean, it's still, we got almost a foot of snow about 3 days ago in Toronto. So, I mean, we're not even there yet, right? And just in Toronto is starting to tax for rain. Okay, for rain. Guys, rain. This is how bad Canada's getting. I just wanted to share this with you guys, okay? Toronto is considering charging homeowners a stormwater fee for leaving many residents concerned about the rise in their water bills. It's called a rain tax. You're being taxed for rain. We're getting taxed on rain from Mother Nature. I don't know what's going on with this country, guys. We got rain tax, guys. We're being taxed on the rain. What is going on? Buy Bitcoin. Oh man, this was announced yesterday that because we're getting rain tax, guys. Welcome to Toronto. Okay? Roberto, Rob the Crypto Snob, dropping by. Much love to you, my brother. Hope we're Aptos. Guys, we're getting taxed on tax on tax. You know, we get carbon tax, and we produce 3% of the carbon emissions compared to like China produces 40%, US produces like 15%, but Canada, we need to pay our carbon tax. Anyways, don't get me started. Don't get me started. I'm going to Portugal or something, man. But we're getting taxed on rain here, guys. We're getting just too much concrete. Oh, man. We're getting taxed on rain. Welcome to Canada. This is why we buy Bitcoin. Okay? So Injective, looking for that continuation retest, swing failure pattern, continue to the upside, okay? Going over to ICP. ICP has had this beautiful parabolic move. Now, we did draw this trend line yesterday, suggesting, you know, that we're going to come back to it. Now, we're back to it, so what are we looking for? We're looking for a breakout of this flag, okay? The breakout of this flag holding as support and continuing upwards. You can simply slide this support down and look for that continuation, okay? This is looking good. A little bit of a trigger wave here on Market Cipher. Continuation upwards. Very green money flow on the 30-minute. Let's check the 4-hour just to get some better confluence. Yeah, we were targeting, if we were to lose this level here, we were targeting back down. We also said to track this trend here, okay? And our key level of support on ICP is now going to be right around $17, okay? $17.1, okay? And you can drag this up here and look for that continuation on ICP. And this also aligns with the previous high, which is a good zone to typically look for a retest, then a continuation if we do lose this trend line, okay? So keep this trend line in mind with ICP, where you're looking for this is a flag, so we're looking for the flag continuation, right? But if we don't get that and we get a swing failure pattern, we look for that bounce from there. However, this is looking quite flaggy and looks like it wants to continue its march upwards. So I would typically either look for the retest or you look for the breakout of a trend from here. Right now, it's not giving you any clear signs of day. So for me, you want to see kind of a breakout out of this flag and then a continuation upwards. But right now, I'd be patient. I'd be waiting for that bigger move and then the retest and then the continuation, looking to get in on that higher low. Okay? Air tax. Yeah, next time they're going to charge us on going to the toilet or something. I don't know, man. It's pretty wild, man. The Netherlands is the European Canada, yeah. Air tax, fart tax, carbon tax, rain tax. Next, what's next, man? What's next? Shower tax? I mean, we already pay water, right? My God. Okay, let's go over to APT, Aptos, okay? Aptos. A toast to you, a toast to me, looking for this to continue to the upside, okay? I haven't done much TA on Aptos since $10. Wow, okay. So coming up here, flying off the handles, we got all-time highs. Okay, so Aptos on a parabolic trend to the upside here. Look, beautiful 8% move of the day. Looking for that continuation. So what do you do with something like this? You track the momentum, right? So you pull this trend line all the way up here, and you look for the retest back to the previous highs. Okay, so you can see the beautiful move here. You got previous highs, you got a resistance there. You draw a box around this area here, which are the previous highs, and then you look for a retest coming back down to these levels. Okay, you can also pull a fib from swing low to swing high, and you can anticipate a possible retest to this area here if it cools down. Now, if it doesn't cool down, you're looking a bounce off of the 382, which is right here, and a continuation upwards, right? You mark out the high here, and now you've kind of isolated price. So now you can look for a possible trade. Your best trade possibility is going to be coming back down to these highs around, let's call it $17. Okay, $17 is typically where you're looking for the retest, and then you know you have key resistance of the highs all the way up here at $20.56. Now, between here, you can look for either a swing failure pattern, bullish divergence continuation at one of these levels, either 17 or you're looking around 18. Okay, keep it simple. But this 17 is my would be my preferred choice if we're looking for a bounce and continuation here. A beautiful, beautiful, massive move here. And it looks like it's just simply pushing, retracing, pushing, retracing. So a push and a retrace would be probable, if anything. So definitely keeping my eyes peeled on that shower tax. Then the what other tax? If you guys needed a tax, what do you think would be the most ridiculous tax there? We just got rain tax, okay? Rain tax. It hasn't been approved, but wind tax? Wind? How are they going to track the amount of droplets that fall on my property? Are they just going to... How much money are they going to spend to the raindrop counting people? They're going to create jobs by having these people go out in these yellow raincoats, draw a circle on my driveway, and be like, there's 10 drops per second, which is equal to 600 drops per minute, which is equal to 6,000 drops per hour, which is equal to 20 million drops per day that aren't being paid for. Fuck off. Oh, man. Okay, I'm done. Load of bollocks, man. What's your job, Mom? I'm a raindrop counter. Mark Dutch says masturbation tax. You got a wankometer at home. Mark's got the wankometer. Anything moving too fast. Mark gets a tax bill in the mail. This is why we need Alexandra G here today. We get off topic too much, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's go over to WIF, okay? Oh, man. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I bought some WIF, okay? I bought some WIF. You guys don't believe me? I bought some WIF. When I bought WIF yesterday. I went and I bought I got to join the party, okay? I bought $900 worth of WIF. You don't believe me? I'm going to show you. Okay? My WIF position is currently up. Yeah, boy. We bought the dog, all right? I couldn't wear the hat without buying it, okay? And don't worry, I told Mrs. Otter. But I bought Dogwifhat. Guys, we're up $200 on our WIF trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. $200 right there. WIF. WIF on that fart, Justin Trudeau. How about that? I'm going to get canceled. Look at that WIF buy, guys. Look at that WIF buy. Alex WIF hat. Alex WIF hat. Alex WIF hat. Okay, back to the TA. See, we're getting distracted again. What am I supposed to say? I bought it. Okay, WIF's going up. That's what I think. I'm biased. Oh, man. I bought some WIF, okay? I bought some WIF down here. What do I think? WIF's going to go higher. I was looking at WIF today. Dead kittens. Buying WIF at the top. Nice. We bought down here at $2.50, okay? Oh, man, we could have bought at 30 cents, okay? I just wanted to participate in the WIF. WIF has gone up at nauseum, 8x, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think WIF can continue, okay? I bought WIF, I sold WIF. Yeah. I'm in at WIF at I'm in whiff at 20 cents. Let's go. This is wild, man. Watch the numbers go up as the word gets out of how nutty this YouTube channel is. Man, we having fun, man. We having fun and we making money. Like, what else do you want from a YouTube channel talking about TA? Okay? I bought whiff today. It's nice. Mark Dutch, he likes it. Okay? So we're looking for a continuation on this stinky whiff, okay? Looking for the continuation. You got the parabolic uptrend here. Looking for a continuation, okay? I like. Look at the whiff. Take a whiff. Where you got a beautiful flag here. And we're looking for another beautiful flag and a continuation to the upside, okay? Take profits now, says Tesla Man. We're gonna ride this until the end of the market, man. We're just gonna ride it, man. I've bought Bonk, Pepe, Cock, Sneck, no Myro, no Sheeb, Doge. Okay? And we're gonna ride them. We'll see if they go. If they don't, whatever. It's $1,000. I'll be all right. Okay, so we look for this to just a little bit. I see you. We're looking for this continuation, right? We have support down below here. We look for this to continue to pop off. The adoption is real. Okay, I think it's probably one of the best narratives. And, I mean, who doesn't like a little bit of whiff, man? Straight back to zero, says Rob the Crypto Snob. Oh, man. Oh, man. Maybe we'll take a consensus of where it's going to go. But I think it can go further and beyond, okay? 100x whiff, okay? So right now, where is it at? It's flagging out, looking for the continuation upwards. You have this trend here. $2.92 is going to be your level of support if it's going to continue its work upwards, okay? So let's see if whiff continues its work, okay? If it's whiff it, let me work it. Put my flame down, flip it, and reverse it. It's your flame. What does she say there? If you reverse it, you know that she says something if you reverse it, the Missy Elliott song. Where's the lyrics? What does she say backwards? It's yours. It says, I put my... That's what she says in the song. I just put it in the chat. Somebody make that backwards. I'm a whiffy now. Yeah. Okay, going over to Doge. You guys are distracting me too much today. I knew I was going to be all out of sorts without Alexander G here, trying to get you guys the alpha. And you guys are definitely making my job easier. So you can see we have a big bulge of volume here. So with Doge, it's very Elon-esque, okay? And you're looking for this continuation. Let's pull this here to here. Continuation to the upside here. Kind of losing this uptrend, okay? Consolidating sideways here. My level of support for Doge is definitely going to be down here at around 16.3 cents. But we're gonna have to be patient, okay? I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. That's what she's saying. It's yours. I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. It's the same thing backwards, okay? Don't get it twisted. So Dogecoin, Elon Musk is in control of this world, okay? It's the meme of all memes, right? So for me, you can see it's simply flagging out, right? This ascending triangle. Big old ascending triangle here. I don't know where you'd pull it from, but you can see something like this, where it continues to wait and consolidate, and we're looking for the breakout, right? Are you going to look for the breakout trade? Well, it'd be very simply something like this, and then a continuation upwards. If it doesn't do that, you look for the curling and the waiting for this to eventually ride this wave to the upside. But, you know, we were talking about Doge at 10 cents. It was a great trade setup that we had from before. 10-cent Doge. We caught this trade here in the past. So, you know, consolidation sideways and then continuation upwards. Consolidation sideways, continuation upwards. It's a very similar story with any of these meme coins, right? It's the crypto casino, right? That's why you buy meme coins, because you just want to have some fun. I mean, you make $1,000 from trading, you throw it into a meme coin, and you see if you can make a little bit more on it, right? It's just it's part of the game, right? So you participate and you wait for a continuation. Right now, Doge looks like a double top, probably coming back down to 16 cents and continue to the upside, okay? Let's go over to Sol. Hey, brother, did you ever look at ORDs? No, we haven't got ORDs yet. I didn't add it to my list, but I will type ORDs here, and I will get to it at the end, my friend. Thank you so much for being here, Kush. Thank you guys for being here. We're having fun. April 20th, 420. Bitcoin halving. It's going to go high, okay? Much love to all you guys. Thank you guys for supporting this channel, man. Tesla, man. Mark Dutch. R.S. Miller. Kush is my cologne. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Mark Dutch. You're everywhere. Darren does things. Curtis Neal. Much love to you, my friend. Crunksy. Rob the Crypto Snob, man. Coming through, man. From Frankie Candle's Discord, man. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting the channel, my man. So Solana double top, cooling off, coming back to key levels of support, looking for that continuation. So with Solana, going over to the 4-hour here, just wanting to look for continuation. You can see the 4 hours cooling down on a lot of these time frames, wanting to see the posturing flip to the upside. So far, it's flattening out. We want to see that flip to the upside, right? You can see money is coming out, but we are looking for that continuation. Solana adoption has been intense. So we want to see this continuation to the upside, right? So for me, whenever I pull a fibs, I want to go from the start of the move, right? So start of the move to the top of the move. Okay, start of the move, I would agree, and you would agree, would be from this wick right here, right? It's not from here. It's not from here. It's not from here. It's from the start of the move, okay? We want to look for the retracement to the start of this move, okay? So where does it line up? Right now, we're getting aggressive bounce off the 382, right? The 382 is a continuation bullishly, right? So that is a very bouncy, beautiful continuation area. However, I prefer some 786 golden pocket bounce, but right now this isn't lining up with confluence, right? You can see that you can hold this area here as an idea, but I'm going to drag the fibs back up to this level here, and you can see it is actually bouncing off a golden pocket as we speak. So we get multiple areas that we are looking for a bounce on Solana, depending on the reaction of price within the area, okay? So if I get a swing failure pattern and a continuation, lower low, higher high, right? Continuation, great. That's my signal, right? Depends on what your signal is and what you're looking to do here, okay? For me, a big sell-off, a bullish divergence is something I would be looking for within this area. If we lose this level, then I look for a wick down and higher lows to be created on the way up. Grab a higher low and continuation upwards, okay? This key trend line is going to be your base. So if you fall down, this is going to be where you're looking to be held up, okay? So you got two levels here. One coming in down below at 182, okay? And then the major one that we are bouncing off of right now, and just below, let's call it 185. Okay, that would be my next level for a bounce on Solana for a continuation to the upside. Right now, I'm not looking for any shorts, okay? The Koala Gamer with the super chat, sending those euros. Yo, 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 my man. Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Can you please check Jasmy on Mexi? Long-term view, higher time frame. Love the streams. I'm mostly a lurker, though. I love the lurkers, man. The lurkers are the most important. Lurking and working. Darren does things always lurking and working. What's going on? Let's take a look at that Jasmy for you, my brother. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for supporting the channel. You know we don't charge anything for our wonderful Discord, so any super chats or that is very much appreciated. You said on Mexi, so let's go over to Mexi. Longer term time frames, longer term outlook. Now Jasmy has been, I've taken a lot of good little trades here on Jasmy. So long term outlook on Jasmy, I think it's a bullish project, and you can see we do have some levels that we're going to pull for you here on Jasmy. You can see we fired up. We don't have a lot of data over there, so we're going to go over here and find you some key levels of support and resistance that you can look for trading. And this is what I always want to teach you guys of how, if something has history, okay, we got to be able to find that history within the charts as well. And this is how we simply do it. Now, this is not behaving the way I want it to. That is kind of weird. So looking at Jasmy, let's pull the volume, fixed range volume tool from here to here. Why is it showing me down here? There's volume here. Bruv, what's going on? So we're going to transfer support and resistance then. So we'll go here, we'll go here, we'll go here. Okay. This one looks very crucial as well. And that's weird. Maybe there's not enough data on here on Mexi. I would want to get you something with more data. Let's see if we do it on the 12-hour on Binance, maybe. Going within here. I just want to see if this works. Like, I don't know why that wasn't working. Fixed range volume. Yeah, like what the beep, what the beep. Okay, so for me, I always like to line up these together, right? So you can mark these out. I'm doing it for you on Binance, man, because that tool is not working, and I need my tools, man. Like any good carpenter, we need the good tools to make good work. You got good hands and bad tools, you're still not going to produce good work, okay? So we need to use our tools the best we can, okay? This is your top, okay? And this is where you're targeting, okay? We'll call this the Target level, okay? And then we know that we do have a bit of confluence in here. We go back over to where we're trading now on the long-term time frames. We blow our nose really quickly because we are sick. But we don't care because we continue to work for you guys, okay? So look at this. We've isolated price. We didn't even plan this, and we can see we're getting support and resistance on key levels already, okay? So now we go within this area here. We can pull the volume, and we can match these up a little bit better with the actual price action of now, okay? So we pull this down here, right? This looks good. This looks good. Yeah, these worked out quite well, right? These worked out quite well. And then we can pull this one down a little bit here as that key level of support. So looking at this long term, right? Long term, money has came in, money has cooled off, and money continues to come back in on the 12-hour, okay? Nice bounce on the view up on the 0 line. Let's go over to your 2-day. We were looking at the 2-day on our beautiful Bitcoin as well. And look how thick this money flow is. You got the green dot confirmation, posturing to the upside, moving upwards. Okay, this looks really nice. 3-day VWAP crossover. This looks really nice as well. So this is bullish AF in my opinion. You'll get the print of this candle very shortly. So that's something to definitely keep your eyes on here. Okay, this is going to be printing tomorrow evening. Okay, so a little bit of a cool off, but nonetheless looking strong on the long-term time frames. Going over to the 4-hour, creating higher lows, which is very important. So this is a very beautiful higher low coming up to key resistance. Let's look for a cool off and a continuation to the upside. For Jasmy right now, your major level of support is going to be around this 2-cent area, 2.02, I guess you'd say. And then your target for this move is going to be all the way back up to let's call it 3, baby. 3 is pretty good. So 2 to 3, man. You're looking to go from 2 to 3 very simply. And you got to understand that your key level of resistance is going to be these highs, okay? These highs up here. I would actually go off of these highs here. So right around 2.5 cents is going to be your key level of resistance that you are looking That if you do get up to it for a little bit of a rejection, then a continuation upwards, and then you do have a lot of support at this 2 cents area, so you can look for that to hold. Looking very good on Jasmy, and the long-term time frames are looking absolutely stellar, man. So hopefully that can keep riding off into the sunset for you and make you a lot of money. Jasmy up, baby. Nice, Rob, the crypto snob. The Dutch takeover. I need to get some wooden shoes at this rate, man. I need to get some wooden shoes. I got a cowboy hat, Aptos hats. I got whiff hats. I got haircuts. I got all you guys here supporting the channel, man. So much love here. Let's go over to XRP, man, in the place to be. XRP, the stable coin, the one, the only, the stable coin. Do you use order flow charts or only market cipher for analysis? So I use volume, market cipher. I have a full course on quick overview of everything I use on my channel. I do not use order flow charts at all. Maybe it's something I can look at in the future, but for me, I've developed my strategy mostly around volume, around Fibonacci, and around market cipher. Here's the video. I'm going to put it in the live stream chat here that I use. Go and check it out. This one down here. It's just a little quick rundown of everything I use. This masterclass video right here that I use. All the tools that I use mostly for trading and how I am profitable within them and what I do. So, and that'll give you a better understanding when I'm going through things on the live stream so that it's easier for you guys to understand when I'm going off on a rant, right? And creating these levels that you're like, how the hell did he get that level? Why is he looking there? What is he looking for in that box? Blah, 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 blah. That will give you kind of a better idea of how I go through everything and the tools that I use. So XRP here, like I said with XRP, I don't give a shit about XRP until it gets above 65 cents. And that's just, I had nothing against. I love you, Brad Garlinghouse, for getting us, winning the court case. But ever since that court case, you have not been able to get above 65 cents. You can see that you are definitely getting this kind of upwards trend momentum here, continuing to march onwards and upwards. So, like, you're looking along from this trend line and break through the 65 cents. I don't know much more to do with XRP that I can do. However, very, very, very flat and very, very wicky, right? Not giving us a heck of a lot to look for trading wise. So we can pull swing low to swing high. We can target this area here. Okay, matching up with 786 golden pocket, continuation to the upside, right? So for me right now, XRP really got to prove itself, man. Like, get out of the 60, 61, 60 cent area, get above 65 and get a friggin' move on, right? Like, we get these fake outs and then crashes down, and it's happened time and time again. So until then, I'm really just like, whatever, XRP, do your thing. But if you are looking for a possible bounce area, it would be somewhere around here where you're looking for that long, right? We're favoring longs just because of where Bitcoin is, and we want alts to catch up, right? So that rotation of capital from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Solana to high, medium, and low caps back into Bitcoin, okay? That's the rotation. That's what we look to make money upon, okay? So that's kind of where I'm at with XRP. Let's go over to the AIOZ. I think I was looking at this today for, I was looking at this today for the possible crew here. I gave this setup for a teaching group that I teach over on Chart Prime. So I gave this area for a possible bounce, breakout of this uptrend and continuation upwards. Okay, very nice breakout. AIOZ, looking for that continuation to the upside now. So you've broken this downtrend, you're retesting it. So this is a possible long trade setup, right? So you want to see that continuation here. You want to put your buy level here. Okay, I'm going to keep it here, and then I'm going to make another box here because I will talk to the trade setup about how it worked out. I'll talk to them tomorrow about how it did work out for that beautiful buy level that we gave this morning, and now you're getting the similar thing that we're looking for as well, where you're coming up to a swing high, swing low, Beautiful golden pocket. You can have a very tight stop loss on here and look for that continuation. Now, you may be like, Alex, where the heck is this? Where do we take our profits? Well, for me, you go swing high to swing low, and you get your fib extension here. So swing high to swing low, fib extension, and then you can mark out these as well, where you're looking for these areas for your possible next areas of resistance where you can take profits along the way. And of course, marking out your highs, okay? That's what I would be looking for on this, but very nice move. Look for the bounce from here. You could do a kind of double bottom swing failure pattern before heading up. So be patient here. You've had a aggressive sell-off. I would look for that swing failure and a continuation to the upside on AIOZ, okay? And then there was one more that I knew I would forget. Now I'm scrolling, looking through the chat so I can get to it. I'm sorry, I totally forgot which one it was. Kush asked for ORDS. That's the one. We're going to go over to ORDS, and then we're going to shut it down, okay? ORDS on Mexi. We did some TA on ORDS the other day. Fairly new, a little bit wiki, so we want to be careful with anything like this. We did give some levels yesterday, and look at that. They've come to fruition. The retest back down to this key level of support. Okay, and we said we needed to get above these highs here at 18 cents, 18.5 cents. Okay, and there's that. So you got the support here being held. You can see momentum's coming to the upside here on the 4-hour. Money flow crossing to the green. So we're looking for this VWAP to come over, cross up, and continue on its merry way. Okay, nice little flag here. Beautiful bull flag. You can also draw the bull flag out like this. Look for the break of the bull flag so you can see the flag. Continuation, look for the break, and then continuation upwards, okay? Otherwise, you're looking for the swing failure pattern into the key level, bullish divergence, continuation upwards as well, okay? Key level of supports right here, right around 15.2 cents, okay? 15.2 cents. It's going to be your key level of support. Pretty wiki, but nonetheless, looking like it's getting a little bit of a bounce, flagging out, and continuation to the upside. Yeah, we did do ICP. We went over that. It's looking very strong right now. We have $17 for the big swing failure if it does come down, and then the continuation along this trend line for ICP. So thank you guys for being here. We keep pushing. We keep pushing. Now, it's always an honor and a privilege to serve you guys and hopefully get you guys all that beautiful, beautiful TA. We're going to be on Trading Wars again. Guys, we got ripped off on Trading Wars last time, in my opinion. I think we could have won. You know, we got a 2% drawdown, which knocked us out of the main competition when we were winning. And that was just handed out to us. It wasn't like we lost our money. We were the only trader who was positive every single day, every single week. Positive every single week. Okay? Then we lost to the man, the myth, the legend himself, CryptoFace, who traded one cat. He whooped my ass, but he traded a DGen coin. Now I'm prepared. So we'll see how well we do. Guys, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you're new here, drop a sub. Join us in the free Discord. All that good stuff. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Get off of KuCoin. Ethereum listed as a commodity. Just saying. Just saying. Same with Litecoin. Looking pretty good, man. Looking pretty good for these markets. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thanks for all the kind comments. We got a haircut, man. Let's go. Look good. Feel good. Much love to every single one of you guys. God bless. Have a great rest of your evening. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo. crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.